What's up YouTube, this is Cattle Performance back with another video, and today we're going to be replacing the fuel pump on the 240. So on today's video we're going to be replacing the fuel pump with the 300ZX twin turbo fuel pump. It's originally what it had on, but since it was sitting for like a year, the gas ate the old one up. You can tell right here it's all pretty much chewed up, so I had to put the stock KA one back. So I bought the OEM one from Nissan. So I mean, you could go with the Walboro one, but I went with the Nissan just because it's reliable and it's OEM. It's a little bit more pricier, but it's worth it.
And what do we have over here?
So over here we got some hoses, zip ties, the seal for the fuel pump, the tank. Right, bought an extra to tighten everything up, just in case you need it. And I got some new wiring that I'm gonna run in the tank. That's pretty much it.
Alright.
So in this video, take it off, I'm gonna just use a flathead, Phillips, some channel locks, and then a hammer. So for the fuel pump, there's just two connectors you take off, and there's 3 hoses. Make sure when you take off the hoses not to get them mixed up, because then the car won't start. And that's pretty much it. And then also you got to take off the top. What I'm gonna do is just use a flathead and hit it a little bit and loosen it up, and that's pretty much it.
Alright, cool, let's get started. Alright guys, so as you saw, we took it out. So this is pretty much what it is right here. This is the fuel pump. This is the old one right here. So pretty much all we have to do is just disconnect it from right here, and then we're just going to put this one right there, and then it's a simple plug and play. It already has the filter on, and as you can see, it has this old filter from the old one, and that's pretty much it. And then just reinstall it and we should be good.
So this is pretty much the finished product. I just ran a hose straight to the top. I butt connected the wiring to the connector, and I zip tied the fuel pump in place to the bracket. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna put the gasket and put the new seal on, and then that's it. So we're just gonna test it out, make sure it's good. The wiring is good, so I'm pretty much just plugged it in, and then Tony's gonna turn on the ignition switch and I'm gonna hear it prime. That way for sure we'll be 100% sure that it's working properly. Go. And there you go, you can hear it. So just make sure to slide the fuel pump through the hook inside of the fuel tank, just so it could stay in place. It is a little hard because I left the gas pretty full on this one, but it is what it is. And for you guys, if you want to run the gas, replace it when the gas runs out, but it's up to you guys. You're just gonna get your hands a little burn, especially if you have cuts. They'll fucking sting a little bit. But other than that, it's not too bad. And then just make sure to plug everything back in and run the hoses correctly, and that's pretty much it. Should be good to go.
Alright guys, so the fuel pump is in and we're just giving her a little test drive just to see if anything is going wrong with the car.
She hit 60 real quick.
So everything's running pretty well. We're probably gonna check for leaks when we get back.
Alright guys, so we came back from the test drive. Everything was good. There was no leaks or nothing like that, so everything looks pretty solid. I also forgot to mention, when you replace the 300ZX fuel pump, make sure to replace the fuel filter with the 300ZX one as well, because with the KA is gonna be clogged. It's not gonna let too much gas flow through, so don't forget to do that. And it's actually pretty simple. The fuel filter, it's simple. It's just right here next to the intake. It's pretty easy. It's just two hoses and it just holds on to this bracket right here.
Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. So we ended up installing the fuel pump. What the fuck? Alright guys, so that does it for today's video. We ended up installing the fuel pump. The car feels way better, more responsive. We ended up checking all the lines, no leaks, no nothing. So for the next video, we're pretty much gonna do the camber arms. Sorry we haven't been posting this last week or the week prior to that, just because we've been waiting on parts, but the next couple weeks we're for sure gonna have more videos out, more content for you guys. And just please follow our journey. We really appreciate you guys and all the support.
Thanks for the feedback, and also if you guys have any questions, just let us know. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Alright, got a performance, signing out.
Bye.